Zach Petros here from MarineMax Jacksonville, and I'm standing on one of our brand new Scout 300 LXFs. Great boat, great layout, great usability. You got a nice bow seating area up front here with backrest. Forward-facing backrests are a key feature on a lot of new center consoles. You've got a ton of storage in this boat. You've got storage on both sides of the bow, also on the floor of the bow, and then here under the forward lounger in front of the console. As you can see, you got plenty of room down here to throw whatever you need. Blankets, towels, extra materials, whatever you need to have on the boat, you can throw down there. You got great padding so you don't scuff stuff up and it goes rolling around. This is a huge feature for a lot of people. They want to be able to come up here, enjoy the boat, be comfortable, be high up, see where you're going, see what's going on, and be able to sit here and lounge. You've got armrests on both sides of the seat. Makes it very easy to put up, transition in and out onto the sun lounger. You've got a nice grab rail all the way down the side of the boat to the cockpit. Cool features like this, Scout, fender pros, makes rigging and getting the boat ready easy. Drop your fenders in, keep going. Another thing that makes this boat easy are these Mercuries. And I say these Mercuries because they're joystick piloting for outboards. So for you, that gives you the ability to put basically anybody behind the helm and operate the boat. And if you're operating by yourself, let's say you needed to put your fenders out, you hit the skyhook button. That boat will stay in its spot as soon as you put that button on. You've also got all digital controls, digital steering, digital shift and throttle. Here at the helm, you've got two Garmin's in the dash. You've got C-zone switching. You've also got redundant switching up here in case you have some type of electronics failure. You can still operate a majority of the systems on the boat here. At the helm, you've also got two companion seats here, flip up and down bolsters with armrests here. As you can see, this interior is gorgeous. This is a Cayenne Brisa interior, super durable. Very nice feeling. Feels honestly like real leather. Back here in the cockpit, you see more bolsters. Bolsters go bow to stern on this boat. You've got a great pop-out seat here. That stows away when you're looking to fish. You've got a nice tackle station here. Nice high live well. You're not bending down too far. Makes it easy to go fishing and have access to your bait. Also, you've got a nice Yeti cooler on a slide track under there. Makes it easy to get in and out. Rod holders in the T-top. All JL audio speakers. This has an upgraded JL system in it, so you got great sound. And also here at the back, once again, these Mercuries, custom painted white, Scout white Mercuries. So everything ties in, looks super clean all together. Come on down to MarineMax Jacksonville and take a look at this brand new 300 LXF. As for Zach.